Remember when SEO was just about keywords and links? Those days are over. Back then, ranking high was as simple as stuffing your site with the right words and building a few backlinks. It was a simpler time, but also a more limited one. Search engines have evolved. They're not just matching words, they're understanding what users want. Today's algorithms are smarter, learning from every search to deliver results that truly matter. Today, intent matters more than ever. Search engines are focused on figuring out the why behind every query, not just the what. Are users shopping, learning, or looking for quick answers? Every search is unique, and understanding the user's purpose is key to success. The old tricks don't work anymore. Relying on outdated tactics can actually hurt your visibility and leave you behind. If you're not adapting, you're invisible. The digital landscape is moving fast, and only those who evolve will thrive. Now, search is conversational, immediate, and powered by AI. People expect answers in real time, often through voice or chat. The SEO playbook has changed. Strategies that worked yesterday might not work today, and tomorrow will bring even more changes. We're in a new era. Technology is transforming how we connect with audiences, and the rules are being rewritten. This new age is built on 3 pillars: SEO, AEO, and GEO. Each one is essential for reaching your audience in different ways. SEO is still the foundation, but it's evolved. It's about quality, relevance, and user experience more than ever before. AEO, answer engine optimization, means giving people the direct answers they crave. It's about being the solution, not just another result. GEO, generative engine optimization, is about getting your brand featured in AI-generated results. As AI tools become more common, this is a game changer for visibility. It sounds like a lot, but don't worry. With the right approach, you can master these new strategies and stay ahead. In this guide, I'll break down each pillar for you. You'll get practical tips and real-world examples to help you succeed. You'll learn how to adapt and win in the new world of search. Success is within reach if you're willing to embrace change. No more outdated strategies, just what works now. It's time to leave old habits behind and focus on what drives results today. Ready to future-proof your online presence? Let's dive in together and unlock the secrets of the new search landscape. The new age of search starts now. Your journey to mastering it begins here. So, what is SEO in 2026? It's not just about algorithms or technical tricks anymore. The landscape has evolved, and so have the expectations of both users and search engines. Today, it's about understanding user intent and building trust at every step of the journey. User intent is the why behind every search. It's the reason someone types a question or phrase into Google, hoping to find a solution, an answer, or inspiration. Your job isn't just to target keywords anymore. It's to solve real problems for real people. Think like your customer, step into their shoes and see the world from their perspective. Anticipate their questions, their needs, and even their concerns before they voice them. Trust is the other half of the equation. Without trust, even the best content falls flat. Google's mission is to show users reliable, authoritative information they can count on every single time. That's where EEAT comes in. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Prove you're an expert in your field. Share real experiences, not just theories. Back up your claims with evidence and credible sources. Consistency and quality build trust over time. Regularly, publishing valuable content shows you're committed to helping your audience. Imagine your website as a must-read book in a vast digital library, standing out among thousands of others. Only the best, most useful resources get displayed on the front shelf. Your goal is to become the resource search engines can't ignore, the one users trust and return to. Write for people, not robots. Focus on clarity, empathy, and genuine connection. Make your content engaging, clear, and genuinely useful. Answer real questions, provide real value, and always aim to help. Help your users first, and search engines will reward you with visibility and higher rankings. This is the core of modern SEO, an approach built on empathy, expertise, and trust. Build trust, solve problems, and you'll earn both loyal fans and higher rankings. That's the new SEO, and it's here to stay. So, what should you focus on right now to succeed in modern SEO? The landscape is evolving quickly, and it's important to keep up with the latest trends and best practices. First, prioritize creating AI-friendly content. Structure your articles with clear, descriptive headings. Use short paragraphs and break up information with bullet points or numbered lists. This not only helps search engines understand your content, but also makes it easier for readers to scan and digest. Write in a simple, conversational tone. Think about how you'd explain your topic to a friend. Content that's easy for both people and AI to understand will always perform better. Next, remember that mobile experience is absolutely critical. Your website must load quickly, be fully responsive, and offer a seamless user experience on any device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or desktop. Optimize your images for fast loading. Make sure buttons are large and easy to tap, and ensure all text is readable, even on the smallest screens. Don't overlook these details. They make a big difference. Voice search is rapidly growing. More people are using smart assistants and asking full, natural questions instead of just typing keywords. To capture this traffic, optimize your content for natural conversational queries. Create FAQ pages, provide direct answers, and use language that matches how people actually speak. E-E-E-A-T. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness is still essential. Show your expertise with detailed author bios, display positive reviews, and make your contact information easy to find. Work to earn mentions and links from respected authoritative sites in your industry. Every trust signal you build strengthens your reputation and boosts your rankings. These 4 pillars, AI-friendly content, mobile optimization, voice search readiness, and EEAT, form the foundation of a strong SEO strategy. Focus on these areas, and you'll be well on your way to building a winning SEO strategy for 2026 and beyond. Make your content easy to find, easy to trust, and easy to use. Prioritize the user experience at every step. That's how you stay ahead of the competition and keep your business growing. The future of SEO is already here. Embrace these changes, adapt quickly, and you'll thrive. Let's talk AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. Search engines are now answer engines. Users want instant answers, not endless links. You've seen this with featured snippets, and people also ask boxes. AEO is about being the answer, not just ranking number 1. Why? Because direct answers are the ultimate user experience, especially on mobile and voice. If you're not optimizing for answers, you're missing out on prime visibility. Being the chosen answer gives you authority and trust. Google's endorsement puts you front and center. AEO is a shift. It's not about blue links, it's about being the answer itself. Structure your content to be clear, concise, and directly address questions. That's how you win the answer box. To win with AEO, start by finding the real questions your audience asks. Use tools like Answer the Public or Google's People. Also ask. Each question is a chance to be featured. Structure your content. State the question in a heading, then answer it directly in a short paragraph. Expand with details and examples for those who want more. Use schema markup to help search engines understand your content. Plugins make this easy. Schema boosts your chances of being featured in answer boxes. Write in a natural, conversational tone. Perfect for voice assistants to read aloud. Read your answers out loud. Do they sound human? If yes, you're on track. Focus on questions, direct answers, and schema. That's how you dominate the answer engine. Simple, clear, and effective. Now, let's talk GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. AI-powered search tools like Google's AI overviews create new, summarized answers from multiple sources. GEO is about getting your brand cited in these AI-generated summaries. These answers appear at the very top. Prime real estate. If you're not mentioned, you're invisible. GEO is the next frontier. It's about being part of the AI's knowledge base. The AI looks for authority, originality, and consensus across the web. Your brand's reputation everywhere matters more than ever. Build authority, be original, and get talked about. That's your ticket into the AI search box. How do you master GEO? Start with original content, unique research, expert opinions, or deep analysis. Don't echo others. Be a primary source. Share what only you know. Build authority beyond your website. Earn mentions from credible sources. Engage in digital PR. And join industry discussions. Encourage reviews and positive mentions on third-party sites. Off-site signals are crucial for GEO. Engage with your community on platforms like Reddit and Quora. Influence conversations by being genuinely helpful. Maintain strong EEAT on your site, detailed bios, credentials, and transparency. Link to your data and studies. Combine on-site expertise with off-site authority and originality. That's how you become a go-to source for AI engines. GEO is about being the brand AI can't ignore. Let's simplify SEO, AEO, and GEO. SEO is your entry ticket, making sure you're listed and easy to find. It's the foundation: technical health, relevant content, basic credibility. AEO is like being invited to speak, featured for having the best answer to a popular question. You're the expert, with the perfect soundbite. GEO is the keynote. Your ideas are so influential, everyone's talking about you. The AI summarizes and cites your work. SEO gets you in the door, AEO puts you on stage, GEO makes you the main event. They build on each other. You need all three to truly succeed in 2026. Start with SEO, layer on AEO, and aim for GEO. That's the modern search strategy. So, what's next? The search landscape has changed, but it's full of opportunity. Success now means being helpful, authoritative, and original. Blend SEO, AEO, and GEO for a powerful online presence. Start with your foundation, modern SEO. Make your site fast, mobile-friendly, and focused on user intent. Build your EEAT, showcase your expertise, and create in-depth, helpful content. Next, add AEO. Find the questions your audience asks and answer them directly. Structure your content for featured snippets and voice search. Every answer is a chance for visibility and authority. Then, play the long game with GEO. Offer unique value, conduct original research, and promote your cornerstone content. Build relationships and engage in your industry's communities. Focus on being known for expertise and originality. That's how you get cited in AI-generated answers. Combine SEO's foundation, AEO's tactical wins, and GEO's long-term vision. Don't just survive, thrive in the new age of search. The future is yours to shape.